Learn A to Z with 3 fun words each. A. A is for animal, apple, alligator. B. B is for bingo, bicycle, bear. C. C is for car, clock, computer. D. D is for dream dance dress. E. E is for elephant, eagle, egg. F. F is for friend, fork, finger. G. G is for grapes, galaxy, goldfish. H. H is for hat, house, hammer. I is for ice, insect, ice cream. J. J is for jellyfish, juice, jam. K. K is for kangaroo, kite, koala. LL for lion, lemon, light. M. M for moon, mango, mouse. N. N for nose, nail, nature. O. O for onion, owl, orange. P. P for pig, pumpkin, pencil. Q. Q for queen, quiz, question. R. R for rabbit, rain, rainbow. S. S for sugar, sad, smile. T. T for teacher, tooth, tomato. U. U for umbrella, uncle, uniform. V. V for vegetable, violin, violet. W. W for wall, white, wolf. X. X for xylophone, X-ray, Zurus. Y. Y for yo-yo, yacht, yarn. Z. Z for zoo, zebra, zipper.
Hi my dear kidsies, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Also like and share it. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye bye.